Now I am going to tell about how component of one module will get component from other module. Okay, using components of different module. So this is a different module, employee module. It has two components, attendance components and salary component. And this is a app component. It is a root component and belongs to root module, app module. Now app component is going to use attendance component and salary component of employee module. So this is called featured module. App module is called root module. Any other module is called featured module. So now we'll see the clear picture. See, for this, how many objects we have? One is I have three components. Okay, one component belongs to app module, another two component belong to employee module. So we have five TS files. TS means TypeScript .ts files. One TS file will be app module.ts, one module.ts. Then another TS file will be employee module.ts file. Another TS will be app component.ts, and similarly attendance component.ts and salary component.ts. So you see in the example we have five TS files. App module.ts, okay, app module.ts, yes, employee module.ts, here employee module.ts, employee.module.ts, then attendance component, salary component. So they are like this: salary.component.ts, attendance.component.ts. So these five TS files, they are pictorially represented here as a picture. How they will use and how they will interact, it is defined here. You can see here the five TS files are here. These are the components and these are the modules. Now in this employee folder, okay, I have three TS files. Two are component, salary component and attendance component, and one is employee module.ts. Okay, and these are the root module and the root component. Okay, so what is happening? This employee module will declare the attendance component and salary components as its declaration. Means it is saying that I means employee module, I am using salary component and attendance component. I am using these two components, so I am declaring this. Again, I am saying that I am going to export attendance component and salary component also. So I am using this and I will export this so that other component, for example app module, so app component can use it. So as you can come to the left side. In the left side, app module is saying that I am using app component, so it is declaring this. Okay, again this app module is saying that my app module is the parent, so he is saying that my app component is needing, means my app component needs these two components to use, salary component and attendance. So I am importing employee module. I cannot directly import any component from other module. I can only import other module so that it will automatically come I am importing employee module, so that salary component and attendance component will automatically called here, provided the condition is it is exporting this salary component, attendance component. If they will export these two components, then app component can use salary and attendance component. Okay, only for this one, only for the import uh, property imports employee module, so automatically the exported component of the imported module, exported component of the imported module can be utilized in my declared components. Okay, so I will go to the example. See here, attendance component. In attendance component template, I am writing I am attendance component of employee module. I am attendance component of employee module. I am writing this much only, and I will be shown in attendance tag. Any component using attendance as a tag, I will be shown there. Okay, that means this much text will be shown in attendance tag. Similarly, salary component, it is saying that I am salary component, okay, salary component of employee module. Both are component of employee module. So I am salary component, I will be shown in salary tag. Who is using salary tag, I will show there. Okay, so who is using salary tag? So let's see. Okay, so we have two components, attendance component and salary component. So both are represented by employee module, because without module there will be no component directly. So their module is this, they are represented by employee module.ts. So employee module, what is it doing? It is declaring attendance component and salary component, because employee module is using attendance component and salary component. So it is declaring. So why for what purpose it is using? It is using for exporting to app component. So employee module is using attendance component and salary component to export to app module or app component. Okay, it is exporting. First it is using, then exporting to be used here. Okay, so this part is gone. Then we will go to the app module. App module is saying that I am using app component, but I need employee module. Okay, I am using app component, but I need employee module that will be used in my app component. Okay, I am using app component, but I need employee modules two component. I need employee modules component, so that my component, app component, can use that two components belongs to employee module. Okay, so declaration is this. So importing this employee module, so that app component can use. So app component is using this tag, attendance tag, that is a line break here, then salary tag. Okay, they are here attendance tag in the attendance component, then salary is a salary tag. Okay, so if you will run this, you will see that I am attendance component of, so you have to save this. I am not saved, so it will go. I removed a D from here, Ctrl S, and I will go here, Ctrl S. So it is changed now. I am attendance component of employee module. I am salary component of employee module. Okay. So in app components, so where they are showing, they are showing inside app components template. Okay. These two tags are in app component tab, app components template. Okay, so what it is saying? It is saying that my selector is I am in attendance component. It is saying that I have written this much and my selector is this. Whoever using attendance tag, it will be shown there. So app module is using attendance tag. App component using attendance tag. So it is shown there. Okay. So suppose I will give some thing like here B means bold /B in the attendance tag. Let's see. So it is becoming bold. This is not bold. Similarly, suppose I will write something inside this. Suppose I will write H1. I saved it. Okay. So I'm going here. See, there is a line break and hello world. So this is the attendance component and this is the salary component. Okay, and this is inside the app component dot ts. Okay, this is not from any component. It is one. It is of app component only. Okay, suppose I will write something, change something here. It will be reflected. Suppose instead of writing this, I will say that table not, I will just writing here h1 h2 this much I will write. Okay, whatever I am writing here, it will go to app component. So there is a error. We will sort out what is that. It is that it is h2 but it is h1, so it should be h2. Okay, I am attendance component, hello world, I am salary component. So now the picture is clear. So we have 5 TS file, employee module content have two components, salary and attendance, that will be used by app modules app component. So it is importing this, and this app component is just using the selectors of these two modules, sorry, two components, selector of these two components here in its own a template, so that it is shown there. So now we will do one experiment. Let's say, suppose I am going to employee modules and suppose I will remove this salary components. I remove salary component, I removed salary component, and I am just exporting attendance component. So let's see what is happening. So whenever, so now the error is showing here. See what is showing. So we can go to the browser and see. It is saying that failed to compile. So I removed salary component from the export. It is saying that salary is not a known element. If salary is an angular component, then verify that it is part of this module. Okay, part of the module means app component. It is saying that in app component.ts, app module.ts. So as it is importing employee module, but the salary component is not belongs to employee module. So if we'll go here, so we are using a salary component, but we are not exporting it, so this error is coming. So if we'll remove this, then there will be no error. So as we have removed salary component, we have to remove that tag also. So we are going here and we removed this tag. So then you will go, you will see there will be no error. So if you are exporting, then you can use. If not exporting, then you cannot use. So I removed salary component from here. So I have to remove this salary tag from here, so that there will be no error, but salary component is not shown here.